Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And with obvious four-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And you have a rugged cargo surface here, which has your full-size spare underneath with compartments around for extra equipment or tools. Do also have hooks on both sides for your stuff, 12-volt power outlet, and you have cargo lights here too, with which you can kind of articulate to shine wherever you need it. And then once you close this hatch, you do also have a separately opening glass hatch for the ease of access. And then looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, and a USB and USB-C down here. Backs of the front seats do also have zippered pockets for storage and kind of molly rigging where you can hook your equipment gear into whatever you want to do there. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your vehicle information, your trip 1 and 2 info, your My View with a digital speedometer, your driver assist settings, and your radio and phone controls. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. You also have your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You also have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, as well as your auto start stop shut off and your hazards. And underneath that, you have a little cubby area here for your device or something like that. And then below that, you have your climate controls with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And below that, you have a cubby area here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then moving on from that, you have your main shifter here on a dial, your parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector. So that goes over any terrain, I believe. But that gives you normal, sand, eco, sport, and slippery mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious and has a 12-volt power outlet inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.